Number 7. This is some terminology stuff for the next couple ones, which I think are useful to know. Number 7, a mechanics lien is it an engineer's report? Is it a claim of percentage ownership of a site? Is it the waiver of rights? Is it a part of a typical payout request? Many of you have probably been part of a situation where you had to collect waivers of lien when you did the typical payouts, the G702s or something like that. And so you could imagine thinking that it might be part of D, that could be part of what's going on, or the waiver of rights, a mechanics lien. But it's definitely, it's not that. The weird answer here, the actual correct answer, is that a mechanics lien is B. It is a claim of a percentage of ownership of a site or a project. And that sounds really odd, but if you start thinking about it, this is what a mechanics lien is. So first of all, don't get confused by the word mechanics. It doesn't really have anything to do with mechanics. I don't know why it's called that. Maybe one of you does and can let us know. What a mechanics lien is, let's say you're a plumber on a job site and you do a bunch of work and you get paid for part of it, and then you do a bunch more work and you try to get you invoice for the next payment, and the GC doesn't pay you. But the GC doesn't tell anybody else that they haven't paid you. They just keep rolling along, but they've just decided they're going to pocket the money that was going to go to you, the plumber. So everything's rolling along. You're kind of moving through the process as the architect. The owner's moving through the process. You're paying out to the GC. The GC just isn't paying that plumber. Well, what can the plumber do? What's open to them as a way to make sure that they don't get screwed in this as a process? And the answer is they can claim a lien. So what this does is they can say, I have done $100,000 worth of work on this project, on whatever the name of the project is, and I am therefore claiming ownership of $100,000 worth of this project because I have $100,000 of ownership in this because I put it in and I have not been paid back out. So that is the way, that is the process by which people can make sure that all of the payments are happening and are flowing along. So you may have seen a situation where as you're doing the payouts, the GCs are also, as they turn around and pay the subs are providing them a waiver of lien, and then the GC is handing those waiver of liens to the owner. And what that is a process of saying that the owner is able to say, okay, I've paid the GC and the GC has paid all the subs, and we know this because the sub has given the GC this waiver of lien. I'm waiving my rights to put a mechanics lien on this project because I've been paid. I don't need to put a mechanics lien on this project. And you would do that at every payout, and then there'd be a final waiver of lien at the end. So I'm using the subcontractors like a plumber and the GC and all that, but it's actually for everybody. This could be for the architects, it could be for the consultants of the architects, engineers or whomever. So all of these people all have the right to claim a percentage of ownership of the site. And this is sort of the tool by which this is kind of run in the sort of legal entities.
Thank you, Mike. And thanks to all of you who've tuned in. And if you'd like to attend our next a.r.e. live broadcast, visit blackspectacles.com/podcast to register. You'll have a chance to ask questions and share your answers with Mike for live feedback during the broadcast, just like today. And to learn more about our AIA a.r.e. prep curriculum, go to blackspectacles.com. We'll include a link in the show notes. And for those of you who are ready and want to go ahead and get busy preparing for the ARE, you can use a coupon, a 15% coupon off the first charge on any AIA ARE prep membership with code 52715webinar. That's 52715webinar. And that'll expire on June 15th. And of course, if you're already an AIA member, you can visit aia.org/ARE prep to get a 30% discount for the entire duration of your AIA ARE prep membership, not just the first charge. And that also expires on June 15th. And finally, please leave a comment below the video to let us know what you think and share any suggestions that you may have. I promise we'll read every word that you write and use them to tune our next episodes. So thanks for watching.